Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unfortunately has been stopped on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Remitly app. And if you find updates, then you can update your app.